Hello guys and welcome back to my YouTube channel. My name is Sello. Please do not forget to subscribe, like and also share this video. So Kelly Khumalo, who is currently the talk of Mzansi's Reaveled news as her late soccer star boyfriend's court case is currently underway, you guys, and she is the talk of the town as people are wondering who actually killed Senzo Mehiwa. Kelly Khumalo is going on with her life because, in her own words, she too wants to see Senzo's killers behind bars. Well, now it has been alleged by Musa Kaula that the singer might be pregnant because she was recently spotted go Shoprite with her team looking very much pregnant, you guys. And those videos has caused quite an uproar on social media after what seemed like a baby bump in the barn, you guys. Now fans of her Shoprite were showing their love to her, singing and chanting that Kelly Khumalo, there's no one like her. So please check out this video without wasting your time. Also subscribe if you have not yet done so. I shall surely see you on my next upload. Bye.